everybody. I'm coming to you today with, I guess, what you could call a haul, but it came from an auction. Recently, like I should say about a year or so ago, a auction house opened up not far from our home, and we go every once in a while. Sometimes you find some great stuff, other times you come home, but it's some free entertainment, so not a complete waste. But my husband went on Saturday, and he came home with a ton of, I guess you could say, of older McDonald's Happy Meal toys. We bought them, they were like $10 for, well, I'll show you what we got here. 2 big boxes full of these Happy Meal toys. And a lot of them are out of the bag, some are in, and we just don't know if these are worth anything. So, I mean, if you know anything about these, certainly comment below so I have a heads up on if these things are worth anything. He originally bought them intending to just give them to the kids. Nice to have little toys and stuff like that to throw in the bag, in my purse or whatever when we go to restaurants or in the car or something like that for something new to play with. But the more I'm thinking about it, it's like if these things are worth something, I don't want to waste them. I guess if I could sell them or somebody would have a better use for them. I know that there's a lot of the Thai Beanie Babies that are in here, like the little itty bitty tiny ones that they had at McDonald's. And I remember at the time that was like a huge thing. People were collecting them and everything. But I also know since then the Beanie Baby market, I guess you could say, has like totally collapsed and people really don't collect them anymore. So I just thought I'd do a video, go through all this stuff. If anybody's interested, or if you know anything about these things, that'd be great if you could share your information with me. Or the kids just like seeing new toys. So let's go ahead and open this up. I will probably end up dividing this up into a couple of different videos, just because I don't want a 45-minute or an hour-long video, because it's a little much to sit through. So let's open this up and see what exactly is in here. And right here on top, first thing I have actually is one of the Thai Beanie Babies. And this was from 1998. And it's Waddle, and he was number 11. It's a penguin. It's actually really cute. And I don't quite remember, I mean, these were like my college years and right out of college. I'm thinking there was a couple different series of the Beanie Babies, but I don't really quite remember. This is Pinchers. He was number 5. He's a lobster. It's really cute. And we have another Beanie Baby, number 1, and that's Dobie, with a very appropriate name because it's like a little Doberman Pinscher. Then we have Walt Disney's Peter Pan. This is Wendy and Michael Magnifier, number 4. And this was from 1997. And this is 101 Dalmatians. I'm gonna see why my dog is. Okay, we have the from the 101 Dalmatians. This one was opened, copyright 1996, and it's a little one of the Dalmatians with looks like little present. Trying to remember back, I'm thinking that the movie was out in theaters around Christmas time that year, so maybe this coincided with that. I'm not really quite remembering. I just remember my nieces and nephews were all like 4, 5, 6 years old or so, and I remember them having like these little headbands with the Dalmatian ears, and it was at Thanksgiving time, so that's right around the Christmas holiday, so maybe those Happy Meal toys were out around that time, so it was like right around Christmas. This is the Flintstones, Betty, Bam Bam, and Rock Donalds. Just says collect all 5 while supplies last. And it looks like it's the house, and you can kind of see some little figures in there. Looking for your copyright 1993. So that's a little bit older. Then we have Hercules. This is number 8, Eye of Fate's Ball. Just the ball. And we have another Dalmatian. Little bucket on his rear end there. And another Dalmatian. Looks like he got tangled up in a scarf. And here's another one out of the bag. He's in a little London style bus. And in a car. Looks like Cruella de Vil's car there. And here's another one in a London style bus. And another Dalmatian. And we have, this is Warner Brothers Space Jam, Tasmanian Devil, which was number 5 for that series. And we have another Beanie Baby. This is Peanut, number 12, and appropriately enough, Peanut is an elephant. That's really cute. And here we have one of the Dalmatian figures in the bag still, unopened, so I'm just going to leave it like that. And here's another one. Another Beanie, Bones, which was number 9. And it's a little puppy dog. You can see his face a little bit. And this was number 7, Mel. Looks like Mel is a koala bear. And this is Peter Pan, number 2 of the series, Tick-Tock Croc. And there's Tick-Tock. He's laying on his back. Here's his eyes right here, and his nose going out that way. We have Bongo, monkey, that's adorable. Here we have Spider-Man, number 7, Spider Sense Peter Parker. He's got half Spider-Man face and half normal face. That was from 1994. And here we have Barbie, number 5, Blossom Beauty Barbie. There she is. And then we have Sleeping Beauty, number 6. And here is Dalmatian, but the bag is open. Another one of those, which we had one already. And we have Hercules, number 6, Hercules Metal. And here we have Barbie and Friends Camp Barbie, number 3. That's her. And we have Disney's Animal Kingdom Gorilla and Baby figurine. That was number 3. And looks like this is from 1998. This is cute. Hard to see, but the little baby is hanging like off a stick or something there. And we have another 101 Dalmatian sealed up in the bag. Here we have Hot Wheels number 6. And it's the tow truck. Cute. Another Beanie Baby number 10. That was Liz. A little lizard. And this guy looks a little football player. He's a little pull behind. Oh, this is from Wendy's, 1994. Purple football player. This is Disney's Animal Kingdom Iguanodon, number 7. That's what he looks like. And Disney's Animal Kingdom crocodile figurine, number 11. And another Beanie Baby, number 10, which was Zip. Little black and white kitten. Then we have Peter Pan, number 3, Captain Hook Spyglass. My son absolutely loves Captain Hook. Of course, now instead of Peter Pan, it's Jake and the Neverland Pirates. He's obsessed with that, that's for sure. Then we have Aladdin and the King of Thieves, number 8, the Maitre d' Genie. And it looks like it's Genie with a wedding cake. We have another Beanie Baby, number 8, Scoop. Oh, that's adorable. It's a pelican. Some of the names are absolutely perfect. Here's another Aladdin with the Maitre d' Genie. And we have another Dalmatian. And we have another Dalmatian in a bag. I hear the bag's open on this one. That's cute. I like how his one ear sticks up. Looks like it's Christmas garland or something with tree ornaments hanging off. And here's another one that's open. Looks like he's wrapped up in some ribbons. And another one that's sealed up. Oh, this one's cute. Fell down on his belly. Oops. Fell down on his tummy. He's got a shoe in his foot. And a shoe in his foot. Yeah, a shoe in his mouth. And then we got one that's on his back with a ball. There's his face. Here's two more. A Christmas stocking and then with the police hat on. Yeah, we have another one with like the garland type stuff with purple ornaments. The other one I think was, what, red? And this is the Jungle Book, number 2, and it's Junior. It's hard to see that one. And then we have a Beanie Baby number 4, and Inch. That's cute. It's a little snake or probably an inchworm. We have Micro Machines Ocean Flyer Toy Airplane, number 8. There's the plane. And this is Sleeping Beauty, number 1, Raven. And Barbie, number 2, Rapunzel. It's hard to see that one, too. That one is from 1996. Then we have the Little Mermaid, Ursula bath toy, number 1, from 1996. And this is another package that you can't see through. Oh, this is cute. Another Beanie Baby number 3, Twigs. And Twigs looks like is a giraffe. That's adorable. And number 6. That was Happy. And apparently Happy is a hippo. Oh, this is something big. I don't think this was a Happy Meal thing. Looks like it's like 3 little boats with sails. Just says shell core on it. Yeah, it's something different. And here we have Claude the Crab, number 9. We have Sky Dancers Princess Pegasus, number 4. And that was from 1996. And then this is from Pocahontas. I'm not sure who that is. I've only watched Pocahontas like once. It was a very long time ago. Oh, this was from the Burger King Kids Club. And I'm going to pick just a couple more out of here because I'm going to pause the video. Not really pause it, but I'm going to start a second video just because I don't want it to get too long and drag out. This is Nuts the Squirrel, number 8. That's pretty cute. And then out of the bag we have Smooch the Frog. So I think that's probably a good point to stop for right now. I do have another whole box and a few more, so definitely look for video number 2. And as I said, what are these things worth, if anything? Definitely let me know below. So I will see you in the next video shortly. So thank you so much, and see you soon.